my channel, The Baking Diva. This is going to be a short video. I know many of you that watch me and follow me, you know that not too long ago I did a giveaway, and it was because I had over 6,000 subscribers. Yay! I was so excited. I think now I'm up to maybe like 6,055, so I was thrilled. It might not mean a lot to many of you, but to me it means everything. I worked hard to get where I am, and I'm really excited about it, and I have to thank all of you because I wouldn't have any subscribers if it wasn't for you. But anyway, unfortunately, the person that was selected did acknowledge it, but I have not been able to reach that person at all after many messages to let me know where she would want the giveaway sent. And so I don't know what happened to her, but according to the rules, I had to pick another winner. So everybody had a second chance, and that's what I did. So let me announce to you what the second place winner, who it is. It is the channel Frugal Mama in the Woods. And the person, the creator of that channel, her name is Beth. Now, when she was selected, I was excited because a couple of years back, she was picked a giveaway winner, but she wasn't home. I think she was away, and it was a similar situation. I wasn't able to ever reach her, and I felt really bad, and I had to pick another winner. So I guess if you believe in karma, Frugal Mama in the Woods is our new winner of the 6,000 plus subscriber giveaway. If you remember what that was, it was the Danish dough whisk. It was the Pioneer Woman pot holder, dish towel, and mitt. It was a spatula. And now you have a choice of a $25 Visa gift card or an Amazon gift card. So I hope I hear from her. Beth, you'll have till Friday. Today's Tuesday. To email me. My email is down below in the description box. Let me know, oh, there's my grandfather clock again. Let me know which gift card you prefer, either the Amazon or the Visa, and supply me with an address so I can get that darn package mailed out. So anyway, that's all. We have another We have another giveaway coming up. But for now, I hope to get this one out to Frugal Mama in the Woods, Beth. And once again, thank you everybody for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. I met a lot of nice people through YouTube, and I made a lot of friends through YouTube. And I love each and every one of you. So if you want to see my next No Bake Pie that'll be coming up soon, just hit that red subscribe and the little bell next to it till it says all, and that's all. You'll be a subscriber and you won't miss any of my new videos. So anyway, thank you everyone. Congratulations to our second chance winner, Beth, and I hope to see you all very soon. And by the way, I'm in New Jersey. It's 102 degrees here today and the humidity's terrible. I'm not even going to go to the pool. It's just too hot out there to even breathe that air. So I'm going to be staying in my air-conditioned house. So I hope wherever you are, if this heat wave has hit you, stay hydrated, stay out of the sun, and stay cool. Alrighty, love you all. See you soon.